How fun was that? Okay, I gotta do it again because I feel like a kid in a candy store. Alexa, turn on upper lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on fireplace.
Okay.
So what we did was we actually put the switch box right beside the button that needs to operate the fireplace. Hi everyone, my name is Cindy and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel, and thank you so much for watching. In this video, we're going to show you an awesome way to control your lights. Now this is a switch, and even small appliances can be controlled by it. Isn't it the coolest thing ever? We will let you know what we think. Now if you want to see more smart home videos like this, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified. Also, please use our Amazon links if you shop on Amazon. Those links are in every one of our videos and they help us out. Finally, if you want to see our video weeks before anyone else, see our Patreon link down below for all the details. They sent us all of these products to test out and use, and I will say it's a cool product that will have your friends and family scratching their heads when they pay you a visit. Instead of starting out with all the boring specs, let's show them in action first. All right, so now we're upstairs, and as you can see, we put 3 of them in a row, and this will create some easy breezy time for us. Let's see it in action, shall we? Alexa, turn on hallway lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off hallway lights.
Okay.
Whoa. All right, so now let's try the next one. Alexa, turn on upper light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off upper light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on stairs.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off stairs.
Okay.
Is that not the coolest thing ever? Wow, I mean, this is amazing. This is like, I don't even have to lift a finger, literally. All right, typically what would happen is if you had a Wi-Fi switch, you would have to have 2 of each, and it would become quite costly. This is actually a cheaper alternative because you only need 1 upstairs and Alexa does the work for you. All right, now I want you to pretend with me that it's a cold winter night and you want to keep warm and you don't want to have to go lug in all that firewood. Check this out, okay? Alexa, turn on fireplace.
Okay.
Now this is an app that is literally on fire. Check it out. So what we did was we actually put the switch box right beside the button that needs to operate the fireplace. And this current is pretty strong. It will stick pretty well. As you can see, I can like shake it and it's not coming off. And this is amazing. I'm literally heating up. This thing is hot. Alexa, turn off fireplace.
Okay.
All right, so believe it or not, you can do the same thing to turn your TV on and off. You can attach a SwitchBot to your TV right here underneath the button, and it will actually turn it on. Or you can add it right to your remote control, and it will actually turn the power on. So this is super cool. I use this myself. I wanted it attached here. Let's see it in action. Alexa, turn on TV.
Okay.
How cool is that? These methods are safer for your TV than installing a smart plug to kill the power right away. All right, folks, you download the SwitchBot app and they quickly pair up automatically by using Bluetooth. And if you want to access them using your Echo or Google Home, then they will need this hub, which is recommended to get. And inside the SwitchBot app, you select Add Device, and then you select your hub. It's going to ask you then to select your Wi-Fi, and then you connect with your password. I'm going to go over some things in the app for you. So I want you to have your Bluetooth Ready enabled on your phone or tablet. In this case, it's my tablet. And now you're going to pull the tab on your SwitchBot. You're going to notice it automatically connects within seconds. And you're going to want to change the mode to either switch mode if you're installing it on your wall switches, or press mode if you're going to be using it on a button like your remote control. Now, if you want your Echo or Google Home to control it, you want to click on Cloud Service and make sure you have it enabled. Now, they also sent us the SwitchBot thermometer and hygrometer. Now, it also installs via Bluetooth, and we named ours Living Room. And it is great to get instant updates either through the app or by asking your Echo. Alexa, what is the living room temperature?
The living room temperature is 25 degrees.
No wonder I feel so comfortable. All right, so once you make the switch with the SwitchBot, you can actually go to the app and track your usage. It's really cool. So I'm going now to the SwitchBot app. I'm on the living room. I'm clicking on living room, and it shows me the temperature at the top and the humidity at the bottom. And then at the very bottom, it shows you the summary. And this records your meter history. So now I'm going to go to the day because it defaults to the hour, and just to see in a day usage what it looks like. I mean, wow, it's definitely an eye-opener. And you can go weekly as well, which is in the following tab, and that will show you where you're spiking. For example, on the weekend, I tend to be a little heavier in my usage. And then there's the monthly as well, which can be definitely reflective of how much you're here at home. And annually, what are those months looking like for you? And are there any patterns you want to look at? Definitely a very insightful and delightful app. They tell us they will be sending us SwitchBot curtains soon to automate the opening and closing of your curtains. And eventually, they said it will operate the California shutters, which we are dying to try and test once it becomes available. So I'm excited. Are you excited? When the curtain opens, that's usually the sign of showtime. Now, I like the SwitchBot. There are several ways we could use this around the house, like on our wall switches, or many of us push buttons. We push each other's buttons. I wonder if it works on Anika. We put the links down below to get the current pricing and more specs. How fun was that? Okay, I gotta do it again because I feel like a kid in a candy store. Alexa, turn on upper lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on stairs.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off upper lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off stairs.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on hallway lights.
Okay.
I love this. I could do this all day. Alexa, turn off hallway lights. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you found it useful, please share it with someone. You can see all of our latest and greatest videos right here on the side. Subscribe to see more videos, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to check out our website at HomeAutomationX.com. Thank you so much for watching.